today we are going to go wash the car really quick, wash the wheels that are in the back, ship out some parts, stop by Axion. I'm going to take a couple parts off the car, and then I don't know what else. I may even take the seats from the other car, but I kind of want to just get different seats for this one, so I'll probably end up doing that sometime and just rock with these for now. But yeah, let's do that. Okay, so here are the wheels out. I'm gonna wash these things down and give them a decent clean, then upload the then update the pictures on the ad. So yeah, this person's music in the background better not copyright my stuff either. But yeah. Doing this stuff makes me feel like I got arthritis or something, like my hands be feeling rough. Whew. And sorry if the angles are bad. I'm trying to focus on two things at once and I'm blind, so you know it's not always so successful. But yeah, as you guys can see in there, the stop text. Oh man. I don't remember if I mentioned it, but I'm not a fan of 17s, but this actually looks good. Ooh, almost done. Damn. I just saw an RS6 wagon. Oh man. Ooh. Making sure I didn't miss any spots on this. And then, yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, that would really be bad if this person's music copyrighted my stuff, like, but hopefully you guys can't hear it, can't tell, but yeah. Yeah, I hate how low the pressure on this thing is. Like, this is just taking up mad time. And this is exactly why I need to fix my pressure washers. Well, my pressure washer, because one of them is going to go to one of you guys. Whoever, when I get to 5K, somebody's gonna win my one of my pressure washers. And we're still going. Almost 6 minutes now, or $6, however long that is. But yeah. I forgot my boots. I should have wore boots instead of sneakers. mugs are coming off. Yeah, another reason I'm only running like 5 and 6 spoke wheels from now on basically is because how easy they are to clean. Multi-spoke and mesh wheels like these, annoying to clean. These, usually 5 or 6 thicker spokes, getting on the inside of the barrel, you can do it super easy. So yeah, just for convenience sake, and also the fact that I like the look, I won't have to deal with any more wheels that are super annoying to clean. Free game, by the way. Alright, so you're probably wondering, Jermaine, why didn't you really detail and wash the car and everything? This was literally just to get the road dust and brake dust and cicada wings and nastiness off the car. I just wanted to spray it down. I'm gonna do like a wash sometime soon, and really ceramic coat the carbon fiber hood and everything. But yeah, for now this is perfect. This is literally all I wanted to do, just wash down the car, see what I'm working with. Hopefully this is a decent angle. That should be good enough. Whew. That AC though. Safety fourth. Good water only. You know the vibes. My shoes are definitely wet. This is one thing I hate. I don't know why they have that. Another thing I hate about static cars. But yeah. The most I'd ever do to this is since it has KWs, I put those KW HLS systems. I believe it's hydraulic, but I think it's hydraulic, but hydraulic leveling system or something like that, or hydraulic lift system. But yeah. So we're gonna go home, drop the wheels off, and then we're to Axiom. And I'll take the way with the straight streets and stuff like that. So you guys can get a little. Oh, that's what he was talking about. When you hit that line. Just found out, yeah, so there's like a little, like right here, like there's like a little wall right there. So yeah, he was saying when you're shifting fast, you're definitely gonna feel that. Now I did, because the whole drive back I didn't, but